So, if you accidentally damaged your fan connector on your Xbox, I don't know, this is the video for you. I'm gonna walk you through everything you need. This does take some soldering skills, so you need a microscope, you're gonna need a hot air station. I have the temp set to about 425 and basically 100% air. You don't have to have this, you know, anchored on, but it just helps because, like I said, we are going to heat from below, something like this, and you are going to want to basically strip this down to the just this like top I think daughter board. Yeah, I don't know, if you don't have any of this and you want to send it on over, I do take mail-ins. There's a link below, just reach out to me and we'll go from there. But yeah, come along, join me under my microscope. So we're first gonna start off by just warming this up a little bit, then we're gonna apply some flux. And we have another angle right over here, just to sort of show you. Here's our new connector. But just like HDMIs, you wanna heat from below. But just like HDMIs, you want to heat from below. As you can see, we're heating from below, and really it's only like you want to have it like maybe an inch or so. You want your wand pretty close, or else this is just going to take forever. You can see one of our legs turned, then another one. Usually ground, you know, takes the longest. And even though all four of those are liquid, our ground has yet, there we go. So here is our old connector. We're just gonna wick away. That was probably a bit too much flux. So that was leaded solder. And you can see we have sort of these irregular mounds. This will flow into place. While we're doing that, I'm just gonna get my little connector right here. And we're about there. And you can kind of just drop it on. And you'll see, there we go. All right, now this is a bit overkill, but if you have a multimeter and you really want to test this, basically you're just gonna put your multimeter in continuity mode. Looks like this little Wi-Fi looking symbol right here. And then the inside of our pin, these are ground, so we don't need to worry about this, but you're just gonna take, doesn't matter, it could be red or black, and then you're just gonna touch the pin, which I don't have a good angle for you, but there are 4 pins. And then we come here. So we are good there. And I don't know, if you really wanted to dial it up, here is diode mode. Diode mode is, hold on, this looking dude right here. Diode mode, we're gonna put the red probe on ground. So ground could just be this gold shield right here. So this top one, I'm getting about 600. I'm getting about 1100, 1900, and this is either low resistance or ground. Honestly, it's probably ground because you need ground to complete the circuit. But yeah, let's throw it in make sure it works. And here's the moment of truth. Does it turn on? Hopefully you can see that. So for the sake of YouTube, hopefully you can hear that. But we have a working fan.